Okay, so I am going to take over the screen sharing and I'm going to take the last slot for today and talk about our new knowledge center and the trainings of the Industry 5.0 Academy that we offer to you. So the first thing that I want to talk to you about is the new knowledge center. We sat down and thought, okay, we would like to bring more knowledge to you as our customers. We want to bring you the information about the manuals in the same place that we give you infos about interfaces and connectivity, as well as the release notes we want to make available to you more quickly. Both release notes technical and feature spotlights, where we highlight some specific features. We also want to provide you with rollout documents if you roll out or implement at new sites, and also the training materials. So we decided that we want to bring all of this together to you in a knowledge center. And so here's what we came up with. Our new knowledge center that has at the top the handbooks, the manuals, and then as well customer success stories and white papers, and you have access to rollout documents and the release notes and interfaces information. And how do you get access to this? Well, it's directly from within Shiftconnector. On the top right part, if you click on the help section, there's a training section, and there under Learning Hub, you can access this knowledge center. And if you want to have a look right now, you can scan this QR code, and you will then get direct access there. And we would be very happy to get your feedback once you have looked at it. So if you could provide that feedback to us, it would be super helpful so that we know what you're missing, if you have challenges finding something, or if it works for you. So that would be super insightful for us. Yes, so that's the first thing I wanted to tell you about, the new knowledge center. Now, the second thing is the trainings that we have right now. As you maybe are already aware, we have a number of training paths that you can follow. It looks like this. So we have basics for mostly the shop floor workers, then professionals for the shift supervisors, and then admin light and admin pro training paths, where we explain all the different functionalities in detail. And these are the training videos. Probably most of you already know those. And you can also access them directly from within Shiftconnector. And what we are working on right now is to have certifications for these training paths. This way you can make sure that when you onboard new employees, they're on the same knowledge level like others. Also, you have certifications that you can show to auditors if this is relevant for you. And you can make sure that all people are on the same page regarding their training in Shiftconnector. And how are we going to do this? Well, we are going to move over this training phase a little bit and add a new training phase, which is the certification phase, where we have initial certifications, and then if there's new features and functionalities, we will train you on this, and then have a recertification only on the what's new topics. After 3 years is what we are currently planning. And the way that we are going to implement this is in our learning management system, where you will have access to different paths depending on the role that you are assigned in your organization. So Shiftconnector Basics, Admin Pro, Admin Lite you see here, but also the professionals. And later on in the next year, we will also have the training paths for the individual modules, so you can get certified there as well. And we are currently rolling this out. So if you would like to earn one of the first training certificates and want to be part of the pilot phase, please let us know, and we can test this together with you. And lastly, or almost lastly, there are also workshops going on which you probably already took part in. So this Shiftconnector Inside Hour is part of our workshops, as well as our admin trainings, the feature focus workshops. And if you are not yet receiving the Academy newsletters, I invite you to send us an email so you can get sign up for our newsletters. And yeah, so all of these are part of our user community events. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them now or send us an email so that we know what you're looking for and how we can, adapt our trainings according to your needs.